So we'll start off outside with the south-facing terrace. This is a lovely sun trap, which you'll get all day. So as we enter a lovely lounge area, all the electrics have all been updated, as you can see. Breakfast bar. You've got your hot plates and air fryer. Everything you'd need. Just off the hall out here we have the bathroom with a walk-in shower. And just off the lounge here we have the bedroom with its own fitted wardrobes and view of the pool area. Fantastic opportunity, really lovely apartment, really lovely complex and really lovely area. So if you have any questions, you'd like to arrange a viewing, please just let me know.